Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Teachable account. To sign in or log into Teachable, first of all, open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in teachable.com and search. You will now end up in the official website for Teachable. To log into your existing account, click the Creator Login button appearing at the top right-hand corner. Now, you will be prompted to enter your login information. If you don't have an account, you can click the Sign Up button and follow through the instructions. If you already have an existing account, type in your email address associated with your Teachable account. On the next field, type in your account's password. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the password reset process. After entering your credential correct, click Login and you will be able to sign into your Teachable account. And that's how you easily log into your Teachable account in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.